Let me introduce you to a brand new product from Zendure. This is the Super Mini Go, a portable 10,000 mAh battery bank with the added bonus of a built-in MagSafe charger. Hey, I'm Chris, and the Zendure Super Mini Go is an adorable looking portable MagSafe battery bank for your iPhone. It's feature packed, and as this is a 10,000 mAh battery bank, it is safe to take everywhere, including your next flight. The whole look of the battery bank is reminiscent of an old camera from the 90s, or more recently, the popular Instax mini camera. It has a big round magnetic MagSafe compatible wireless charger on the front, which looks like the lens, a 15-watt logo which doubles up as a phone rest, and the power button looks like a shutter button. It really is a playful take on what is generally a boring looking product category. Now, it wouldn't be like a camera if it didn't have a strap, and Zendure have you covered. In the box you'll find a small wrist strap which can be looped on this rose gold hoop here, or on the smaller hoop on the other side. I can imagine some people wearing this with a large strap over your shoulder, like a small lady's handbag. Zendure even went as far as to showcase this in some of their pre-release material. Another handy item is the included 2-in-1 cable. It's a USB-C charging cable with a handy USB-A adapter, so you can charge the battery bank with either a USB-A or USB-C wall plug. And when you're in need to top up some of your USB-C devices, it can be plugged into either the USB-A port or the USB-C port. On the back you have this useful screen which tells you your charge level, and if you double tap the shutter button, it will set it to a low power mode which will protect your wearable devices from being damaged by overcharging. This is indicated by a small lightning bolt to the left. Now, I have to mention that the MagSafe charger is a great inclusion. The magnets are really strong, your phone displays a little animation when you connect to it, and if your phone is locked, it charges really fast. I put my iPhone 13 Pro on for about 10 minutes and I went from 50% to 71%, which is much faster than the wireless charging pad I have on my desk. Obviously, this charging speed will depend on how hot your battery gets, so your mileage may vary. It's also worth noting that any MagSafe compatible device will charge on this. For example, my AirPods Pro have a MagSafe charging case and they simply pop on and charge. Even with the thick leather case, it's not a problem. It will be available in 3 colours, black, silver, and my personal favourite, this blue to yellow fade. It really does make it stand out a bit more, and it makes it so much more visually appealing and playful. So I hope you've enjoyed this little overview of the Zendure Super Mini Go. This product will be available on Indiegogo from the 21st of June 2022, so if you'd like to get your hands on it, I've placed a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, please consider subscribing if you aren't already, smash that thumbs up button if you liked it, and write me a comment letting me know what you think of the adorable battery bank. Take care.